pay for it themselves. These zones should have been brought to a vote for dismissal. The creation of these zones has meant that people within the construction zone and the greenway have not been able to access neither labor assistance nor funding in the same manner as people within the revitalization zone. This violates the equality and fairness and has been very disrespectful to the people in these areas. It also explains why the people in these areas have not revitalized their homes like the people have in other areas. The owners of these homes in these areas have been told to move on and buy somewhere else. They have been denied permits, assistance from volunteer groups, and funding that would have otherwise been available to them. Due to this fact, their homes have sat waiting for their fate.